Today is Sunday, September 28th, 2025, and we're here with Gladys and her 4 babies who are 1 week old today. Come here. She has 3 little girls. Yeah. It's okay. This one has a tiny white line on her chest. And let's see who else you got. Let's see. This is our little boy. Look, where's the milk? Where's the milk? He's got a little bit of white on his chest too. Kind of like a T-shape. And then, let's see, who's this one? His mom's cleaning the other one. It's our second little girl. Looks like she's got a white footprint. Huh. Yes. And this looks like the lightest baby. Come here. Does she look like you, Gladys? Look at that light face. She's definitely going to be lighter like her daddy. Oh, the Gladys is pretty light too. So that's our 4 babies in this litter. This Chunker's here, that's our boy. The other 3 are our petite little girls. Huh. They've got beautiful traces down their back. And of course their tails won't curl until they get bigger, because there's a bone in there that actually curls. It's just not big enough yet. Are you squishing the other 2? Huh? Put everyone on this side. Oops. Too close. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Gladys is such a good mom. Aren't you? Huh? You want to say hi? Like I got a job to do, now I'm doing it. They'll get a little lighter as they get bigger. Well, actually a lot lighter because they're kind of dark right now. That's just the way they come out. And then we got Coco behind me. Next nursery with her 6 babies. Huh. She had them on Thursday. Really early in the morning, like 3 a.m. So that was a long night. But everyone came through and they're doing great. So, hey, can you say hi? Huh? Can you say hi to people? Thank you. Just a head nod. What's up? Well, they're all doing great. Nice full bellies. So we'll see you again next Sunday for week number 2. Have a great week.